Yo guys, what's up? This is EIZY and welcome back to my channel. This time around I'm going to do a review for my very first Megami device in my collection. This is the third Megami device by Kotobukiya. This is the box. We have the SOL Hornet 1/1 scale full action plastic model kit. This is a plastic model kit. This is her now in full bodysuit in orange theme with the backpack and everything. Parts that also comes with her. This body parts here. This swap from this full bodysuit to her normal look. We have these ties and also the joint here. We have extra head here, and the second one is this one. The third one, which is this one, set of open hand, fist, open hand, pointy hand. Have this extra piece here, and we also have this shoes, the chest part, inner joint here, and extra. This is for the headpiece. I don't know why they give us two of them. This part too, like this part here, the joint, and also the hand part here. This is from the first Megami device. Also this is for the action base. For the backpack, this joint for the frame arms girl head. This decal are also included. You want the slide decals. And lastly, we have dual beam sabers. This is the straight built one. I didn't do anything like a paint job, panel lining, or applying any no glue applied, even though they recommend you to apply some glue on some parts of it, because some parts right now are very fragile. The action base is also included in this kit. There you go. Fully orange look. Okay, I took off the backpack just now. So for the articulation, the head can move up and down, side to side, like that far, and the hand can move up but this far. This handle is blocking the way here. Move about this far, back here, like so, and this one can rotate, and oops, can swivel like so. Same goes with the other one. So this chest part is can be moved side to side, so, and the upper body part can move like this far, can move about this far. So the difference between the Megami device with the frame arms girl, only for this articulation. There's articulation here, which can move forward and backward like so, and this part here can move about this far, can back this far. There you go. And the legs can move up like so, and this far. The leg, the shoes can pivot like so, and like so. She also comes with this gun here, as you can see. Backpack has a lot of articulation going on here, and you guys need a lot of not really a lot of, but some area need to glue it as recommended from the manual, like this part here. This part is very fragile because this one can easily take off. You guys need to glue this one, and also you guys need to glue this part here. Let me just show you. So, and yeah, this part here. Apply some glue here, stick it well, and make it permanently secure, like so. Okay, there you go. And this goes here. Same goes with this for the waist part here. We need to apply some glue, but I didn't apply the glue yet because this thing keeps on falling off. For the articulation, we have this. Can move up about this far, can move down over this far. This can rotate like so, and can move down, can rotate. There's no articulation here, and there's no articulation here too, just for the wings here. Helmet here is so cool because it has the transparent visor. You guys can see there's a purple one. So to remove this is simply slide this one out, and there you go. There's a face here, and just remove this part here. There you go. This thing here is actually the beam saber. Just take this one off and you can swap it with the beam saber like this one. Turn this full bodysuit into the normal one. So we gonna swap most of the parts here. First of all, take off this chest piece here. There you go. It's a very simple looking pegs here. Change it to the normal chest part. Take this one off. Move this piece forward, and take this. There you go. Very simple. And change it to this part here. Just put it back on like so. There you go. Next is to change this joint here into the bare skin one, like that. Put it so. Here you go. So we have the upper part. For the normal mode, yeah. Take this one off first. So I changed this yellow piece here into the bare skin one. We have this tied here. Put back the legs. There you go. And we change the shoes here to the witch looking shoes, because this one looks like the witch. Put them back here again. There we go. This piece here is a bit tricky because I need to take this one off and put it like so. There we go. And don't forget the hat, the final piece here. There you go. So this is the SOL Hornet in her normal look without her full bodysuit. This is pretty cool indeed. For the articulation, we have the same like before, but much better than her in full bodysuit. The head can move up about this far, down about this far, side to side, and you can go down about this far, go back like that. And this shoulder can see it more clearly right now. Can move up, I mean forward, like this far, and backward, like so. This hand can move up about this far. Oops, sorry about that. There's a ball joint here. The hand can swivel, can move like so, and this one can rotate. Same goes with the other side here, and her upper parts here can move about backward about this far, forward about this far, and can move about like so, and like that. So the legs are the same. Move forward about this far, backward, and there's a swivel here. Can move like so. And for this witch shoes, I really like to say the witch one, can move about this far, also can be moved like so, and we have a pivot. So that's it for the articulation. So this is the SOL Hornet plastic model kit, the third design for the Megami Device, but my very first Megami Device before I bought a lot of her other sisters, that I will review them later on. So if you guys are asking whether she's worth the money to get it, well, yeah, I prefer Megami Device compared to Fremom's Girl and the other one, like the Bandai one. Megami Device are the best from the best plastic model kit, waifu version or the girl version in the store today. I hope you guys enjoy my very simple review, very simple one. If you guys are like this video review, just give a like, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. There's a lot of other plastic model kit that I want to show you guys later on. The SOL Raptor here, her sister, also coming out soon. And also don't forget to follow my page, Facebook page, EIZY Customizer, and I will be back soon for another video. So that's all for me today. Thank you very much. Goodbye.